welcome to Letscookolet. Today we're making pizza, and not just a regular pizza, we're making gourmet pizza, Tuscany style, and it's gonna be so yummy. And when you make gourmet pizza, you know, you don't use just a regular dough, you have to make a gourmet dough as well. So let's show you now how to make the gourmet dough. Put the warm water first. It's warm water, make sure it's about 105 or 110 Fahrenheit. And I have dry yeast and baking powder, salt and sugar, and I have here olive oil and sun-dried tomato pesto. We're going to flavor the dough as well. Voila, here we go. And let's give it a little mix first, and then we'll add the flour. Voila. Here you go. And for the ingredients, if you look on my left here, you can see the ingredients, what's in the gourmet dough. Let's put it in. Lock the machine. Bring down, and always start on the first speed, which is a low speed, and let it mix for about 8 to 10 minutes. Voila, nice. It's been mixing for 8 minutes. Let's lift this one up here. Beautiful. Look at this. You know, when the dough doesn't stick into the arm, the dough arm, it's you can tell it's a good dough. And take it out. Beautiful. Look at this. Voila, nice. So I'm gonna split this dough to 2 portions. I'm gonna make 2 portions, and right away you just roll it like this. That's one, and the second one, oh my god, I smell it so good. You smell the sun-dried tomato, unbelievable. It's a gourmet dough. And we're gonna rest the dough here. Just let it, put it on a plate. You can use a cooking spray or just a little bit oil, just so it won't stick the cover. Roll it a little bit to make sure you get the oil on both sides, right here. And a little saran wrap on top. Here we go. And any cloth you have, you can cover it. And we're gonna cover it for, I will say, about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Beautiful. Look at this. It's been resting for an hour and a half and ready to go. So we're going to use one today. We're making the gourmet pizza, steak and cheese, Tuscany style gourmet pizza. Nice. Here we go. And I have some fresh mushroom here. You can use as much as you want. Thinly slice. Go with the onion. Voila. And here I'm using the tenderloin filet mignon steak. I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna slice it. I'm gonna slice it thin. Voila. We're gonna put a little bit salt and a little bit pepper. They're almost ready right there. So what we need here, just turn off, and we're gonna add the fresh savory. We were talking about it, and I have some spinach here as well. I want to add fresh baby spinach. Give it a little mix because we don't want to fully cook the spinach. A little bit oil here, it does the job, no problem. Voila, here we go. So there's a way to open the dough just like that, or if you want it like this, or you can put it on the trays here, and just doesn't matter any way you like, as long as you open the dough nice and equal flat, and the crust is a little thin because we're making thin crust gourmet pizza. Here you go. It's ready to go. Now for the sauce we were talking about, I have some garlic paste here, and I'm gonna add some olive oil to it, and that will be our sauce for the pizza. Voila. And I'm gonna use a little bit basil, just give it a little mix with the brush. Just spread the olive oil and the garlic and the basil all over here, and that will be the gourmet pizza sauce. Fresh Parmesan cheese. Voila. Now put the topping in. Put the topping and spread it all over the pizza. Voila, here we go. Fresh mozzarella. Voila, nice. Here we go. That's enough for the cheese. Now I have some peppers here. I'm just gonna put a few slices. Here we go. And I have some pre-sliced cherry tomato as well. Couple of slices here and there. Voila, and good to go. So your gourmet steak and cheese Tuscany style pizza ready to go in the oven. 425 for, I would say, 8 to 10 minutes. We'll check it out. All right, look at this. Nice. Here you go. It's 425. It was there for 12 minutes, and our pizza good to go. Nice. Look at this. Here you go. Our steak and cheese Tuscany style pizza, gourmet pizza. And let's slide it here. And won't hurt a little drizzle of olive oil on top before you serve. Cut with the knife. I don't use a pizza cutter. I cut it with the knife. Nice, crunchy. Yummy. Let me give a try here. Oh my god. Nice. It's very light, full of flavor, tasty. I'm running out of words to describe this pizza. You better make it at home, then you decide yourself how to describe it. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.